marriage, they say, will either make you or marry you. You see some marriage in Africa, it will either make you or marry you. So a video is circulating online where an older lady came to the house to do what? To teach a younger woman a lesson. And people are saying is the mother-in-law is trying to teach the daughter-in-law a lesson. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BQI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. Okay, and this is Palava. Oh boy, oh girl, we need to see the video. You need to see this video firsthand, and we talk. Okay, I need to go to this video.
Why are you in this house? Hey. Do you know me? Why are you? I said, who are you? Hey. You don't know who I am. Why do you behave like that? You see me in my nephew's house. I'm telling your mother that your mother is. Take down your leg. Look at this nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Number one. How are you? Travis.
Aunty, welcome.
How are you?
Welcome.
Who is this? So you cannot greet me. You don't know how to greet somebody. An old woman like me, you see me, you cannot greet me. Who are you? Who are you in the number one? Who is this? Who are you in this house?
That is show.
I said, who are you that you cannot greet me? Are you mad?
I just came here and started ranting, and you expect me to greet you?
Hey, stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense, my friend.
You don't know who I am. Why do you behave like that? You see me in my nephew's house. I'm telling your mother that your mother is. Take down your leg. Look at this nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Is that the way you want to use my nephew? Don't you know that I don't see what is going on? Oh, who are you? Who are you? I said, who are you in this house?
Madam, please respect.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Madam,
now your man sit down in the dance and make him yourself.
Keep quiet. Who are you? Who are you in this house?
Hey.
Do you know me? Who are you? I said, who are you?
Hey.
Who are you? You know, you see me, you cannot greet me.
Madam,
Stupid girl.
Madam.
Stupid girl.
Don't lay your hand on me.
My friend, keep down your hand. Who are you that I cannot lay my hand on
I'm trying to
you?
be so respectful right now. Madam,
You don't know how to respect an elderly person.
me again.
Keep quiet here. I said, keep quiet.
Hey.
Keep your mouth shut.
Hey.
Don't talk to me like that. Am I your mate?
Yes.
I said, who are you?
Yes.
That you see me, you cannot greet me.
Yes.
I can deal with you now, so that you know that this is my nephew's house. I come back again. I don't want to see that nonsense again in this house. I see what is going on, what you did to my nephew. Don't you have a brother? Don't you have a mother that you can give respect to?
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Who are you? I said, who are you? You behave like that. Tomorrow I will go and bring the honor of this house back to this house.
You saw the video, right? First of all, some people are saying it is a skit. My dear, this video, it is timeless. Whether it is a skit or not, this is what is playing out in some people's families in the name of, I'm going to teach you how to respect. Okay, before Nkube anything, respect, they say, is reciprocal. And respect is earned. Okay? You cannot bring somebody to your house and expect them to respect you. Just, first of all, the family, there is no leveled happiness in that family. And you can see from the video, that man that is sitting down on headphones, you can see clearly from his facial reaction, this is not a skit. Why would you allow your auntie or your mother to teach your wife a lesson in the name of respect? Why? What kind of lesson are you trying to teach? To respect. In Africa, we know that to greet somebody is equal to respect. So if you don't greet somebody, you don't have respect for your elders. That is a general knowledge in Africa. Once you don't greet somebody, you don't have respect in Africa. Whether you dey waka your own or you know they waka your own. If you are not greeting somebody, you already know. We already know you don't have respect. And in this house, respect is being taught by slapping. You can imagine. In 2026, you call somebody to come to your house to slap your wife or your daughter or whoever to have respect. Do you think that is the exact way to teach somebody how to respect? These two men, these two grown men could not contain the situation. Because from the look of things, they already planned it that the lady is going to come, and she came. First of all, she said we don't greet her. She first of all deck him with one backhand, slap the lady, and the woman say, you clearly from the video say, madam, respect yourself. So the both grown-ass men couldn't contain the situation themselves. They had to bring this lady to come and contain the situation in their house. So 2 wrongs can never make a right. 2 wrongs in this life can never make a right. How do you feel if it were your sister being treated? And some people will say, my sister cannot disrespect. What do you think that has been playing out in that home, in that house? What do you think that has been playing out? See, let me tell you, I will keep saying it. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. This woman that is trying to do Margaret Thatcher or Idi Amin, is forming Idi Amin's very serious auntie that they will bring, or very serious mother that they will bring, that will, madam, you are making matters worse. And that lady that is calm, will cook for you people, and you people will eat, will give birth to the kids, apparently, and you people start raising this. What are you trying to, you are making matters worse. There are many ways to kill a rat. There are many ways to dissolve conflict in a family. This is clearly very wrong. If you treat your wife anyhow, people will start, even the neighbors go to see this thing. Neighbors go to see these things. People in the street, this lady herself, this is the name of bringing your auntie or your Margaret Thatcher in the house. Some people will go as far as reporting to their wife, to their sister, to their family. After reporting, you stay in the same house. You they do amebo for your own wife. You they gossip your own wife. After, you expect your family members to respect you. You self, you don't get respect for yourself. Because if you had an atom of respect for yourself, you know that you should respect yourself enough to keep some things to yourself. This is pure, to me, this is pure witchcraft, and you cannot tell me otherwise. How can you bring somebody to be slapping your wife? This, you see, in everything you do, maybe this lady that is sitting down, she doesn't have support from her family, father's house. Because if to say this lady have support from her father's house, this thing, you know, go reach to this level. Because clearly, they don't already do the meeting, and this woman is now coming, now slap and small slap, drop bag, now continue where she stopped. And the other one, if this lady that is sitting down slap this woman back, or stand up now, or either stand up or flinch, they start saying, hey, see, she want to beat her up. But you come from your house, you leave your peace in your house and come to another person's house and start acting Idi Amin of Uganda. You start acting military regime in somebody's house, and the guy is sitting down looking at her with full rage and fury. Hey, oh boy, people they see marriage, if some women tell you waiting they swallow inside marriage, you will pack your bag and run away. If some people tell you what they swallow in the name of marriage, let me stay in my husband's house, you will run away. And most times, most of these ladies, they don't have something doing. Have some money for yourself. Start something. You don't have. See, as a babe, even if it's 77K, they small money, they will do the job. You go need them. You will need that small money. You see that small money where they reject. It's very, very important. Do something for yourself. Have something for yourself. That shows that you have at least respect for yourself. Because if you say you get something where they do, these people will not get to see you finish. Now see finish, die the consistent. However you feel about this video, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, you know they finish. Peace out.